crazy. You're a madman.
All right, here we go, folks. Okay, here we go.
It's awesome.
That's what I'm talking about. That's what I'm talking about. Yeah. And I was telling my wife about this particular airplane, is actually how they sound.
Smell it?
Like,
yeah.
actually, turbine in the jet. But wait when he comes by, when he comes by here with this low fly. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, that's oh yeah.
Tell me if he gets a little too close.
Looking good. There you go. That's what I'm talking about, folks. Give him a nice round of applause.
Slow that son of a gun down.
Big day.
Morning.
Next we have Chris Denny,
be seeing a jet flying.
sponsored by